Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuning into Click React. We're getting a video out of the cut today, man. It's the same series, but this time without the blindfold. It's just a button. Women rejecting guys with the click of a button, and I think they do that on a daily basis. So now we're just seeing it recorded. You know what I'm saying, guys? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like. You know, let me know what you would you go on this show, because honestly I would, just for the fun of it, just for the laugh. You know what I'm saying? I'll catch you guys later, man. We're just gonna get right into it. Peace.
Enrico. He used to study porn as a virgin.
What the fuck? Is that a joke?
Welcome to the button, a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This is the button.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Alright, that's a button. She's pressing that shit.
Deja, what's your name?
I'm Grady. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you. So, off bat, 3 words that come to mind.
Beautiful black queen.
Whoa!
Oh, shit.
Whoa!
Grady, I thought you were nice.
Music?
Oh,
What?
I do make music.
You do?
What?
Do you make music?
I play the trombone.
Oh, nice. I sing
Nigga,
and
what?
play guitar.
What are your red flags?
Ooh.
To be honest, because my first time on a date, you know, I don't really have any red flags
It's your
until.
first date?
Yes.
Why?
What?
No one ever came to me, or no luck on the dating sites, you know.
So you're the guy that likes the girls to come to.
No, he's just shy.
Or I just haven't found the right one yet.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, she's sending him home.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Damn, bro, would they slap
Why
the
did you
button that
reject
hard?
Grady?
He said only has been on one date. I don't want to like ruin him. He's so sweet.
Why would you ruin him? You see what I'm saying? Girls are so funny.
Good, nice to meet you.
Oh, you want this nigga though?
Jason? I'm Deja.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, she gonna X him.
You do smell good.
Wait, who said that?
Give each other a little sniff.
You passed the sniff test?
Fun fact, Jason picks his chin hairs out.
What?
Oh.
It's just something I do at the time. Like if I'm sitting there watching TV, I'll just go like this a little bit.
Okay. You
I
wanna see
mean-
it? I pick my eyelashes out.
What?
Oh look.
When I'm
that's
bored,
what's
I be
up.
like,
See, yeah, that's cool.
and then I'll make a wish on them.
I thought I was the only weird one. Now I'm like, oh,
You guys are weird.
all good. I'll take it.
You missed out on Jason.
What's meant to be will be.
What?
You're handsome.
Thank you.
Oh, so she like this guy.
Hey, you look amazing.
You got great teeth.
Thank you. Shoot. So, how you doing today?
I'm good. I'm nervous.
Really, same here.
Really?
Like, I don't know what to say because, like, just looking at you and all that, I'm like, I'm shaking right now.
Ooh,
Like, it's
stop.
beautiful.
You're not shaking. Stop fucking lying, nigga.
Like,
Enrico's tongue can go down to his chin.
What?
yep. I can show you, like,
You know, at first I thought that these things that the thing was saying was like a joke, but then I realized like it's not a joke, and these are things that people listen about themselves, and it's reading it out.
Oh my god! I'm not hitting it after that.
Embarrassing fact about Bonrico. He
Thank
used
God
to
it was-
study porn as a virgin.
yeah.
What?
As a
Cause-
virgin?
Yeah, because was it? I like to satisfy my partner and all that, so I don't want to stick to like 1 or 2 moves. If I see a position that I like, oh yeah, I might as well write it
try
down.
it.
Yeah, try it.
Yeah.
I hate to bring this up, but let's talk about
Oh,
age.
he's a youth.
Oh, okay. Whew.
Hey,
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Oh, okay.
How about you?
I'm 27.
Oh fuck, she's pressing the
You ever
button.
dated an older woman? I feel like the selling point for me with him is that he seems really mature for his age. You haven't dated an older woman though, so you don't really know if you like it.
Exactly. So it's all like learning experience and all that, you know.
She doesn't want to be a learning experience.
Are you gonna teach him?
Sounds like he could teach me a few things. I don't know.
I mean, I could, but you could teach me a lot more. So I don't know.
All right, I have a proposition.
They going.
This is going well, right?
Yeah.
Are you willing to go on 2 other dates? And if those don't go well, I'll bring Bonrico back.
Okay. We can try it.
Do you think the other 2 guys might win her over?
I hope not.
All right, let's shake on it.
All right.
What the
People
fuck?
like that, and you gotta hear me.
Yeah, they have good energy.
Thank you.
Is he short? No.
Hi. How are
Damn,
you?
that man walked in fast.
Good. I'm Deja.
She don't want him. Let's be real.
Nice to meet you. So what's your name? say
Oh
that?
yeah. People all the time think I'm saying like cool. And
Yeah, I thought you
Yeah.
were being cool. Like you're
That is funny.
Cole, say something that's vulnerable.
Ooh, I'm a mama's boy for sure. I think that's kind of a
We
positive.
would have never guessed. No,
Mama's boy?
sometimes.
What makes you a mama's boy?
My mom is like a great mom for sure. I was a
Brother.
She raised me and my sister as a single mom.
Okay,
and
okay.
I think that kind of built our connection.
Fair enough.
Ooh, okay.
Same, man, same.
Vulnerable part there. I love that. Sorry, Cole.
She just want to go back to Von Dutch.
Meeting you, cool, Cole.
Alright, good luck.
Putting my workout in.
Alright, last date. If you're still into, what's his name?
Federico, Bombrico. Something rico.
Von Rico.
What is his name? Tell me.
You'll have to ask him when he comes
No
back.
disrespectful. Nah, he ain't.
Are those your real eyes?
They are.
Wow! Where did that come from?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm mixed with a whole lot of things.
Really? Wow. I
Oh,
can't
okay, never mind.
Like stare away. I feel like it's taking me in.
She
what do you do
she
for
might
work?
switch.
Right now, I'm a low voltage technician, but I'm also learning to be a bartender. So I just started a bartender at Topgolf. So.
All right. If you were to make a drink for me, what would you make?
Spicy
Do you
martini.
Like something sweet, or do you like make your drink strong or sweet?
I like sweet.
Sweet.
I like sweet and I like spicy.
Have you ever had a lemon drop?
When I was 21.
Oh my god.
Wait, how old are you now?
I'm just kidding. I'm 27.
You're 27.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you look young.
I think I am young.
I mean, you look younger than 27.
Really? How old do I look?
I thought you
21.
were 23.
Sorry.
She wants Ben.
Understand.
But your eyes are beautiful.
Thank you.
She wants
Thank
back
you so much.
Von Rook Roy, whatever
That
his
one
name.
didn't feel nice, guys.
She found him attractive, but she knows
Eyes
the
are very
banter
sincere.
with the other guy was better.
Again?
No, don't give it to her. Ask her, do you remember my name?
Is it Bonrico?
Yeah.
She said it. He
What's
said
your
it.
name?
I'm pretty sure I didn't ask.
Oh, that's okay.
But what is your name?
Deja.
Deja? I like that.
Yeah. So I'm still here.
I liked it. I like that. Shoot.
Yeah.
I can stop looking at you.
Yeah, no, I'm like, okay, this is getting.
Alright, I'm gonna light up one last time. And if you don't press, you win.
How messed up would it be if he was like, ah, start?
Yo, I would die if she did that shit.
Congratulations, you have won the button.
They look like a good couple together, man. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, none of the other girls came out?
Alright, are you ready to see her date? Where are you taking her?
Shoot. I was thinking about going to like some Hispanic restaurant. Probably like in Seattle. Probably
Well, guess what? There's a restaurant right there you can take her to. Alright,
Don't
this
kill
is the
me.
experience? Yeah.
This is by far one of the best couples I've seen on this series, man. But guys, let me know what you think. Do you think they're gonna be a good couple or a good match? I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.